Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create custom reports in Google Analytics. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Analytics, I need you to click the Create Account option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Custom reports allows you to focus on specific metrics and dimensions that are most relevant to your business objectives. Now, let me tell you that every business has unique key performance indicators or KPIs that are critical for measuring success. Now, custom reports enable you to track and analyze these KPIs effectively, helping you understand performance trends and make data-driven decisions. For you to be able to customize any reports in Google Analytics, I need you to switch to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Reports. Now, from here, all I have to do is click on this option right here where it says Customize Report, okay? And what will happen is you would be having access to the overview if you wanted to have that, real time. You can drag and drop all of these, okay? Insights, users by country, user activity over time, pages, and a lot more. Now, from there, one of the best things about customizing your report is at the bottom where you hover to the add cards. What will happen is you will be directed to a lot of templates for summary cards such as life cycle, like data table, product revenue by product ID, user, and a lot more. Now, when you switch over to the other cards, what will happen is you have an access to the lifetime value, key events, it's a bar chart, a line chart, line and metric chart, scorecard, data table, which the normal stuff that I always choose here is the data table because it's a lot easier. If you wanted to click that, all you have to do is click on add the card, and after that you would be able to see that here, right? So as you can see, the cards are up to 16 cards at the moment, and if anything you don't want and you want to remove it, you simply need to click the X button here, and what will happen is that would be removed into your data cards here. Now, the report template is about the report snapshot. When you click this unlink from template, what will happen is it would be unlinked to your data. And if you understand how users navigate through your website or app with custom reports focused on user behavior, because it can analyze bounce rates, session duration, page views per session, and other engagement metrics to optimize user experience. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.